Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's quick English lesson. Today, we're going to explore when to use in, on, and at in English. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about in. We use in when something is inside a space, a period of time, or a category. For place, use in when something is inside an enclosed area. For example, she is in the kitchen, or I live in New York. And for time, we use in for longer periods, like months, years, or parts of the day. For example, we are going on vacation in July, or I wake up early in the morning. And finally, in is used for general categories or conditions. She is in love, or he is in trouble. Now let's talk about on. We use on when something is on top of a surface or for specific days, dates, or events. For place, think of on as something being on a surface. For example, the book is on the table, or there's a picture on the wall. And for time, use on for specific days, dates, and events. I'll see you on Monday, or we celebrate on Christmas Day. Finally, let's talk about at. At is used for specific points or exact times. For place, think of at as a precise point. For example, she is waiting at the door, or I'm at the bus stop. And when we talk about time, we use at for exact moments. I will call you at 5 o'clock, or we went out at night. So, remember, in is for inside spaces and longer periods, on is for surfaces and specific days, and at is for specific points and exact times. Now you're ready to use in, on, and at like a pro. Thanks for tuning in. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English tips.